Welcome to our video titled W-2 Tax Form Explained, Everything You Need to Know About Job Reporting. In today's video, we will delve into the details of what a W-2 form is and why it's essential for any job you work. Let's start with the basics. A W-2 form is a document that employers provide to their employees each year. It summarizes the total amount of money you earned and the taxes withheld from your paycheck during the year. The W-2 form is crucial for filing your taxes accurately, as it provides the necessary information for you to determine how much tax you owe or how much of a refund you are entitled to receive. Here's what you can find on a W-2 form. Your personal information, including your name, social security number, and address. Your employer's information, such as their name, address, and employer identification number. Your total earnings and wages from your job. The taxes that were withheld from your paycheck, including federal income tax, social security tax, and Medicare tax. Any additional deductions, such as retirement contributions or healthcare expenses. To ensure accuracy, employers are required by law to provide employees with their W-2 forms by January 31st of each year. Once you receive your W-2 form, you can use it to prepare and file your tax return. Remember, it's essential to keep your W-2 form safe and secure, as it contains sensitive information. If you lose your W-2 form, don't panic. You can request a copy from your employer or contact the IRS for assistance. Understanding your W-2 form is vital for staying on top of your finances and meeting your tax obligations. So, be sure to review it carefully and consult with a tax professional if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you for watching our video on understanding the W-2 tax form. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful content like this.